The University of Cambridge is one of the oldest universities in the world, with a reputation for outstanding academic achievement. The Nanoscience Centre research facility within the University of Cambridge aims to provide a central focus for nanoscience research and aims to address some of the world's most pressing challenges in science and technology. The centre provides open access to over 300 researchers from a variety of university departments to the nanofabrication, characterization and cell culture facilities housed in a combination of clean rooms and laboratories. The current research portfolio in the Nanoscience Centre includes the development of carbon-based inks and understanding and controlling the properties of nanoscale structures and devices for applications in the aerospace and construction industry.
But carbon-based materials are chemically very stable. So this is one of the advantages in comparison with this metallic inks, which can get oxidized and they are expensive. So if you want to have a carbon-based inks for printable, so there are some challenges like you need to have a good dispersion, scalability and conductivity. So we have worked on various carbon nanotubes, and which we have found is that double wall carbon nanotube, they seems to have the highest conductivity. If you print it on a piece of paper, they are very resilient and you can stick very well. So there is a small thin film, about 2 micron of thin film, and it gives you about 16 ohm, which is a very good resistance for a carbon film. And if we do various deformation, for example, we have folded, and it hardly changed, and the resistance is hardly changed. If you try to destroy it, and they still are intact, and you get 16.2 to 16.3, and then you can get a 16.8. So there is a very marginal change in resistance, but you can see it's very, very resilient. And at the moment, we can make a sheet of somewhere around 10 centimeter to 6 centimeter. But I think the process which we use can make about a meter square film. So if there is an interest and there is a need, I think we'll be very interested to do it. And some of the application which I think could be very interesting for these kind of thin films, very low thin films, could be solar cell. There is a interest in this particular technology for quite a long time. There have been a couple of flights for the demonstration flights as well, where they use about 5 micron polymer film with aluminum coating on one side. But if it can be replaced with the 1 micron carbon film, I think they can actually, in terms of heat dissipation and in terms of radiation damage, these films can be quite an interesting alternative.